All right, our first graders are working on that rotation of bowler, scorekeeper, and then pin setter. And when they finish setting up the pins, they go return the ball and become the bowler. So they're either in groups of 3 or 2. We've got a few groups of 2. We're missing a few students today. So this group of 2 is taking turns rolling, marking the numbers of pins knocked down on their score sheet, and then setting the pins up and switching the bowlers out. They're trying to black out their entire sheet. Ooh, there's a 5. You got any more 5s? Yes, we do. So we're going to color in that 5. Nice job. And when their whole sheet is colored in, they have blacked it out and they have finished the activity. See, it's coming along here. Groups of 3 have a bowler, a scorekeeper, and a pin setter. Here's the roll. A 6. Wow. So we're going to mark off a 6. Color that in. Nice. And then we're going to switch positions. Oh, we don't have enough players to have yellow, so we're just going to leave that lane empty. So then we switch positions. Scorekeeper becomes the pin setter. Frankie, you're going to go and do the score next. And then Brooklyn's going to be our next bowler. Call this one Blackout Bowling. Just using 6 pins with first grade. You could do the same activity and just have random numbers 0 through 10 on the sheet. But we're just playing 0 through 6 with the little kids. Fewer pins to set up and they get more turns to roll. But I like this one. And like you said, I said there's some groups of 2, right? They've got a group of 2. They've got a group of 2. They're starting to figure out the smaller the group, the more turns they get to bowl. So keeps the activity level high.